Welcome back. Today we're solving this viral order of operations expression. 90 minus open parentheses, 9 plus 9, close parentheses, divided by 2, times open parentheses, 9 plus 9, close parentheses. Many people arrive at completely different answers because of common order of operations traps. Let's look at why before solving it correctly. The first common mistake happens when people evaluate the first parentheses to get 18, and then immediately subtract 90 minus 18, which equals 72. Then they divide 72 by 2 to get 36, and multiply by 18 to get 648. But subtracting before dividing and multiplying completely breaks the order of operations. Another common mistake happens when people simplify both parentheses to 18, and then multiply 2 times 18 first to get 36, because they think multiplication always comes before division. Then 18 divided by 36 gives 0.5, leading to an answer of 89.5. This is also completely wrong because division and multiplication share equal priority and must be worked from left to right. So now let's solve it the right way using PEMDAS. Parentheses have the highest priority, so we begin by evaluating the expressions inside both sets of parentheses. Step 1. 9 plus 9 equals 18 in both sets of parentheses. Substituting 18 back in simplifies our expression to 90 minus 18 divided by 2 times 18. Next, we have division and multiplication. Since they share equal priority, we work strictly from left to right, which means division comes first. Step 2. Divide 18 by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Our expression becomes 90 minus 9 times 18. Step 3. Multiplication takes priority over subtraction, so we multiply 9 by 18 next. 9 times 18 equals 162. So now we are left with a single operation, 90 minus 162. Step 4. Subtract 162 from 90. 90 minus 162 equals negative 72. So our true final answer for question 1 is negative 72. Now let's move on to our second problem. Open parentheses 5 plus 1, close parentheses, plus 5 squared times open parentheses 5 minus 3, close parentheses. Let's break down the common trap before applying the correct order of operations. The common mistake here occurs when people evaluate the first parentheses to 6 and the exponent to 25, then immediately add them together. 6 plus 25 equals 31. Multiplying 31 by 2 equals 62. But addition does not outrank multiplication, making 62 incorrect. According to PEMDAS, we must always resolve all operations inside parentheses first. Step 1. Evaluate both sets of parentheses. 5 plus 1 equals 6, and 5 minus 3 equals 2. This simplifies our expression to 6 plus 5 squared times 2. Step 2. Next in PEMDAS is exponents. 5 squared equals 25. Replacing 5 squared with 25 leaves us with 6 plus 25 times 2. Step 3. Multiplication takes priority over addition. So we multiply 25 by 2 first. 25 times 2 equals 50. So now our expression is simply 6 plus 50. Step 4. Add 6 and 50. 6 plus 50 equals 56. So our true final answer for question 2 is 56. Let's solve our third problem. 24 minus 36 divided by 2 squared times open parentheses 5 minus 2 close parentheses. Let's see the two traps people fall into before working through the correct step-by-step path. The first trap happens when people subtract 24 minus 36 first to get negative 12. Then they divide by 4 to get negative 3, and multiply by 3 to arrive at negative 9. But subtraction cannot be performed before exponents, division, and multiplication. The second trap happens after simplifying the parentheses to 3 and the exponent to 4. People multiply 4 times 3 to get 12. Then 36 divided by 12 gives 3, leading to 24 minus 3 equals 21. But this is wrong because division and multiplication have the exact same level of priority and must be worked from left to right. Step 1. Start with the operation inside the parentheses. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Substituting 3 back into our expression gives 24 minus 36 divided by 2 squared times 3. Step 2. Evaluate the exponent. 2 squared equals 4. Replacing 2 squared with 4 gives 24 minus 36 divided by 4 times 3. Now we have division, multiplication, and subtraction. Since division and multiplication have equal priority, we work from left to right, meaning division comes first. Step 3. Divide 36 by 4. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. Our expression simplifies to 24 minus 9 times 3. Step 4. Multiplication outranks subtraction, so we multiply 9 by 3 next. 9 times 3 equals 27. Now we have our final subtraction, 24 minus 27. Step 5. Subtract 27 from 24. 24 minus 27 equals negative 3. So our true final answer for question 3 is negative 3.